Okay, people, I'm hoping that this is the third and final video, but just wanted to remind you that the assertion, theme, and main idea, those three things are pretty much saying the author's purpose, okay? What is Thomas Jefferson's purpose for writing this piece? Okay, so we know that the speaker is Thomas Jefferson. What do we know about him? Here's his bias. He's for freedom, justice, and liberty. Who is he speaking to? Congress. And then the subject is independence and democracy. So what you do is you take all of those items. You take speaker, you take bias, you take audience, and subject. And that equals your author's purpose. Alrighty, so you know that's the easiest way. The author's purpose has to be written by you, so it's something that you must practice. Okay. Anyway, moving on over here to the most difficult part, the appeals. Okay, the appeals are not just ethos, pathos, and logos, but you have to tell me what is the appeal. Okay, so what type of appeal? So when you say ethical, what type of ethics is Jefferson actually appealing to? So, appealing to I don't know, perhaps equality. Something to think about. Is he appealing to justice? That sounds like something that is ethical, right? Excellent, excellent. Logos means that if everyone feels it, then it must be something that is logical. Okay, so appealing to perhaps to the grievances of the people or to the concerns of the people of Americans, or at this particular time, the colonists. Excellent, cool. So appealing to justice. Okay. Well, then you have to give or provide evidence that proves that. So that evidence there to prove that as well. Okay, and then pathos is, of course, the emotional appeal or passion, as we like to say. So, what is he appealing to as far as the emotions of the people? So, appealing to some type of emotion. Now, I have to leave some blanks here because I want you to kind of think about this and practice on your own. But you have to also provide evidence there for that. The easiest way that people come to understand these is that tone is based upon the emotions. So people usually put pathos here and say, hey, wherever my evidence is here, I just pretty much transfer it here. And the reason why you're doing that is because this evidence proves that this appeal happened. Okay? So what we see is we see arrows that should be drawn from here to here because my evidence is going from here to here. These two affect one another. Then syntax, structure, repetition. Okay, so because Jefferson is repeating something over and over again, he has and for, then we know that this becomes something that's logical for the people because they can see it for themselves and that everyone in the audience will feel it. And the audience is Congress, of course. Okay? Then we say, hey, well, diction. Well, where does diction belong? If structure is logos and tone is pathos, then I'm assuming that diction is based upon ethos, which is ethical. Of course, culture and the language defines what diction is used. So what we do is we draw an arrow from here all the way up here. And what you should see here is a direct correlation between whatever your evidence is, because here's all your evidence as well as your claims in your rhetorical analysis. So I'm going to write here my claims and my evidence can be found in the middle section of your actual rhetorical triangle. Okay? So moving right along, got about 3 more minutes left of this video, so I gotta speed up here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna say that, hey, if claims and evidence in a analytical paragraph are right here in the middle, then I'm missing my analysis and I'm missing my actual topic sentence. So I'm guessing if everything's here, then these two areas are going to provide something for me. Alrighty. So, guys, this section is your topic sentence. Reason being is because now you're saying, appealing to the concerns of the American people or the colonists, Jefferson, what does he do? Well, we know that that's logos, so what does he do? Going to our evidence, Jefferson repeats the phrase, he has. Sounds like a pretty good paragraph thus far. Okay, so I have my topic sentence, claim, evidence, and guess what, guys? My analysis comes from this section. All right, so we're going to label that analysis. Cool. Excellent. So it's easy, people. It's easy. All you got to do to find the analysis or to get your analysis is to go look at the piece where you found the evidence. So we know that we found he has, okay? Found he has in the Declaration of Independence. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at that section that we looked at in class that says he has right there in the text. There's one. So syntax, repetition of he has. We go to the text, we look for it, he has. Excellent. So what you do is you simply rewrite this evidence. Okay, sorry, it's moving. You rewrite this evidence in your own words. So he has obstructed the administration of justice by refusing his assent to laws for establishing judiciary powers. What does that mean? Okay, so write what the evidence, sorry about my hand, evidence means. Okay, write what the evidence means. Not a summary, but what does it mean? All right, once you write that down, you come over here to your analysis part and you copy down in your own words. So the king has refused to provide the people a government they can trust. So if that's my evidence, guys, what we have here essentially is a body paragraph, okay? You got topic sentence, claim, evidence, analysis. And I hope this helped. Thank you so much, guys. Good luck.